Welcome back to John Kleis Car Audio's YouTube channel. My name is Max. Today we're sat in a Transporter T6 and we've upgraded this car to have Apple CarPlay, Android Auto, all wirelessly working through a new Kenwood head unit called the DMX8021DABS. Head unit looks a little bit like this. Got a VW boot up screen just to help give it that nice factory feel. In this vehicle we keep things like the steering wheel controls working for adjusting the volume, skipping tracks, and also we have another thing to keep working, the factory reverse camera. So this customer can use his reverse camera as he would have before, and it looks just like so. So yeah, that looks all good. Go into reverse, goes into reverse, and Apple CarPlay will pretty much almost instantly connect up when you turn on the vehicle if you've connected up before. Down here we also got factory USB port, which has kept working with the new system, and it just looks a little bit like so. We use a matte black fascia and we have gloss finish if you prefer that, but matte tends to suit these generally better in my opinion anyway, but it depends on how much gloss and stuff you got inside your car, so not really a drama. This head unit obviously gives you wireless Apple CarPlay, which is all working from my phone. You got wireless Android Auto, you got DAB. We retain the factory aerial. Another thing is we put a little microphone in here, which is just up there. That microphone is what will pick up the voice on calls. So you should always get nice, clear phone call quality. Not something you always get when you cheap out and go on to Amazon, eBay and buy those kind of units. From the Chinese market, these Kenwoods, you're always gonna have great call quality. Sorry, I don't know how much justice this camera is doing for it. I think it's struggling a little bit to focus, but I'll show you anyway. Nice capacitive screen, real smooth and easy to use. Apple CarPlay, why would you want it? It's a much nicer way of using your phone. You've got your favorites, recents, contacts. You've got maps for navigation. In fact, you have multiple options for maps. I use Apple Maps personally, but you've got apps like Google Maps, Waze, TomTom Go as well. Messages, you can't read messages off the screen because that wouldn't be very safe to do while driving, but it can read them out to you, so you can prompt it, click it, and it'll read it out when you get a message. You've got digital radio apps like BBC Sounds, Capital Extra, Radio Player, which are all good, but obviously music is a big reason people go for Apple CarPlay, whether you're using Spotify, Tidal, Amazon Music, Apple Music, yep, you got them all here. So yeah, it's a nice quality sound on the Kenwood radios, but Apple CarPlay looks a little bit like this. We've got DAB on this radio, so digital radio menus look a little bit like this. Go into digital radio, you can set in presets down the side there and search off this magnifying glass, and you've got all your channels there. Pick on the channel that you want to save in. You've got up to 15 presets. You can slide that over to show what you're looking at, and just hold down one of these. Sorry, looking at a camera and putting my finger on the screen, just random, but yes, that is how you save it in. Just click and hold. But that's pretty much all I'm going to show for this brief demo of the 8021 fit in this Transporter. It also integrates into the parking sensors, these systems, so if you've got the Park Pilot display, that will carry on working just as you would expect it to. That's it. I'm Max, this is John Kleis. If you're looking for Apple CarPlay, reverse camera, dash cameras, audio upgrades, get in touch with us and we can create a solution for you. Thanks for watching this video. Take care and goodbye.